Hey guys, I'm Brian.
And I'm Terry.
And welcome back to the Forest Farm Project. Today we're at Terry's old house again, and we're going to have some fun.
Yeah, boy. I'm going to tear up this floor.
Finally going to start moving forward and hopefully get some progress in the finishing direction going on.
Yeah, it's about time. End all this destruction and start some construction.
That's it.
It's been a combination, though.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Okay, guys, so what we've got here is 4 layers of linoleum. Well, 3 layers of the modern linoleum. I don't know what you call that oldest layer. I'll show you here what we got. So here's the top layer, very rubbery, modern stuff. It's stuck down with double sticky tape. Next layer is another rubbery linoleum glued to the second layer, the bottom, from the bottom. We got glue still sticky. Then we got this ugly, nasty, old, I don't know how old that is. And then below that is this green layer. I have no clue what that is. It's coming off. It's glued here and there. We got a little scrape tool we might use to get this out. We have no clue what we're gonna do yet, but the top layer, rip it off of there. The second layer, rip it off of there. The third and fourth layers, the bottom 2 layers, that might take a little more effort. We've got a scrape tool we might use, or we might be able to tear it loose. I'm not sure. We're not worried about the surface of this particle board, because once we get the linoleum out, we're tearing the particle board out. Probably gonna have to pull about 400 nails to get that stuff nailed down good. And we're gonna go back with Advantech, make this floor solid. So enjoy this. We're gonna do a time lapse unless something major comes up that we need to show you. We're just gonna rip it out. There's no sense in wasting your time or ours filming every detail of peeling linoleum off the floor. Pretty straightforward. Enjoy.
All right, well, floor's up.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. We did that pretty quick.
It was a little bit of a bear with that bottom layer of linoleum. It did not want to come up, so we just started tearing the floor up and
ripping the linoleum.
Yeah.
It got the job done. The rubberized linoleum, we were able to pull that up pretty good.
Yeah.
The stuff that had that whatever paper, probably asbestos, who knows?
Probably.
Hopefully not.
Yeah. And then there was 1,000 little nails we had to pull up and drive and break off. And
By the way, we did check with a buddy of ours, actually a couple different people that have been in this business for a long time, about asbestos and what to look for. They didn't think anything we had any asbestos in it. We didn't really think so either, but we checked just to be sure. We didn't have it tested, but we did check pretty close.
Yep.
One thing that a couple different people mentioned was if you have black glue or adhesive, they call it, holding your linoleum down from back in the asbestos days, that could be a high potential of asbestos.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Yep.
they said not so much the flooring, more the glue that holds it.
Yeah.
Adhesive, as you might want to call it.
Yep.
We were pretty sure this floor was going to be an awful mess pulling up, and so we were kind of avoiding it a little bit and trying to make sure that we were prepared to do it. And come to find out, it came out. I mean, it took brute force. You have to work to get it out, but it will come out.
Flat shovel came in very handy getting it out. I had the long handle one, as you guys can see in the time lapse, and it had some wings on the edge of the blade, and that prevented me from really getting under the board very well. But the one Dad had was flat all the way across, so he was able to get under it really well, and then I could get under once he got under, and we just worked it right up.
He wasn't strong enough. I had to get it loose for him.
I'm a big weakling.
Yeah, maybe not.
But yep. But now we've got to head out. This will be the end of this video, obviously, and hopefully we can get back and get the Advantech going down. We got to get some vapor barrier, get the Advantech, and first and foremost, we also have to get screws. But first and foremost, it's 10 o'clock right now. We got to get showers, and Taco Dog opens in 1 hour, so we got to go get some Taco Dog.
We like to go sit at the front door and wait.
It's we call it going to the beach because they have umbrellas out there.
Tables with umbrellas, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so-
our beach trip. It's as close as we're going to get anytime soon.
We work all the time.
Yeah. We get to sit there 10 minutes. We're like, woohoo, this is a beach.
And Dad has a newfound love up there.
Cookies that big around, salted caramel, very good.
He loves
I
those
eat 2
things.
of them. That's because I don't want to look like I'm a pig.
Yeah.
I used to eat 6 chocolate chip cookies every time I went there.
He is a pig when it comes to sugar.
I like cookies.
Yep. Well,
I ate 6 a day. They were that big. 6 of them a day, 5 days. I ate 30 cookies in 1 week.
Yeah. That's not your record, though.
No.
But we got to get ready and go get some food and get back to work.
Let's do it.
Have a good one, guys.
See you next time.